inside the Heritage. We're in the lobby. Just check in here. And Pasay Heritage is our first time at front desk. We're getting ready for our room. It's our luggage right here. It's a nice place. First time here, guys. To our room. Our room na. Okay, babe. Let me see. Change. Yep, ano lang small change. So guys, ito na yung room namin dito sa Heritage. Welcome to Heritage, our first time here. And this is the front door, of course. And we have two bath towel. Is that bathroom? Bathroom. And we have safety deposits here. So, ito yung mga amenities nila or bathroom nila, guys. Ito yung may dalawa silang bathroom here. And they have the slipper and laundry bag, safety deposit, front door, and this is the bathroom. The bathroom here. Okay. Medyo may pagkaluma na yung dito, but it's okay. And two tub right here. Ayan. Meron silang shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, towels. Yeah. So ito yung non-renovate na room nila. The old ones here. But they are fixing the 9 and 8 floor right now. So, di ba? Bago sila. So, ito yung king size bed namin dito sa Heritage. Okay lang. More space. How's the bed? Is it clean? Oh, may stain dito. May kuting stain. Right? The sheet is not clean. Medyo may stain yung sheets. Yan. So, yung dalawang table, two chairs here, your tables, and the view. Let's see the view. Oh, the sour view. You can see the roaster chicken. Oh, can you read your chicken? Right there, guys. So, this is our room here at Heritage. Ayan, guys.